Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share you Canva environment, how it will be look like when you first log in, how you create a new file, how what are projects, what are templates, how you can search project templates as per your requirement, and how you create a design. It's a quick overview. Let's begin. So when you sign up in first time in Canva, you find this environment. You have already designed some few objects as I designed, you find here. These are the designs which you recently designed and save here, right? And if you go left side, here is information about your account, that I have a personal account which is allow for a one free version and I have to upgrade to Canva Pro. Then comes a home. For example, if I am at this level, so I want to go back to home, then either I have to click on home button or I can click on this Canva. Then there is a option for Magic Studio. I will share you about this in a detail, a separate video. Now if I click on a project, what do you mean by project? Project means that I make a folder and all my objects in that folder, and then it will also provide me option to create a course in a specific project and assign to another team. For this, Canva provide me an option to click add new. Here I can create a new folder, and on new folder, so I can drag all those design and asset and brand assets in that folder, and then I can also share that brand to my team. We have option for create a course. So what do you mean by course? So I'm already share. If I have to design course with in Canva, I can record it here, and I can that can be a video, that can be a PDF, that can be a document, anything I design. So I can paste here. So I have an option for creating a design name. We want to add a description, and then we add a different type of activities, like I can add a design, I can upload from a third party, upload from a system, and then I have option for upload from a Google Drive, OneDrive or Dropbox, where these effects or documents, images, videos are placed. So I can create a course, and then I have also option for access, that home I have to give access to a specific activity or a whole course. Similarly, I can upload from Google Drive, OneDrive or Dropbox. Then I have a click of a templates. So templates, either we can go from a desktop, from a top menu, or from this templates. So all types of templates are available: Easter, Holi, Spring, Blue, Food, College, Business related, documents related. What do you think that are available? And these templates can be reused. We can modify and re-upload and share to our team members or boss, colleagues, wherever we want. We can use them. We have a presentation, dashboards, we can anywhere, anything you want to do. Then I have a brand. There's a feature related to a pro, and then we can create a brand, that is specific things for our brand, that is for advanced level. When we go at that level, we definitely use this feature for our brand, and all those images modifications of existing templates or our own design can be stored here. So we can create, and here are all brand templates. If we have, then we drag here. That is related to a Canva Pro. I'm going back to home. Then I have apps. So apps means that it's all about integration. Already have integration with the third-party applications or apps that two-ways communication, that from our document from Canva we can directly go there, or for import things from into a Canva. So this is the again it asks me to what thing you want to design. For example, these are the templates, general templates: video, college video, mobile video, presentations, whiteboard, docs. All options are available here. We can start from here, or we can search some kind of a template, and these templates options are available. It will filter automatically, and if I click on a projects, then it show me what things I already created and stored into my projects apps. So there is option that I can download Canva on my desktop, and from there I can customize design. There is option that we can download Canva for Windows, and it is also available for Mac, iOS and Android. So it's up to you, either you have to use on a web or either use for a Canva or a desktop application. I'm going back here, and then I have option for settings. It's all my account related, billing related information, and then I have a notification bell, and I have option for create a design. Before going to a design, I am click on a learn, and here I have multiple options that how you can provide a tutorial, step by step tutorial, that how you can create a, how you can visit a Canva blog, go on a school design tutorial and resources, different types of events. Expert around the world creates events, that you go on events and join their live sessions, and by step tutorials to learn all those things for logo maker, flyer maker, banner, all those things. So now I'm going to click on a create a design. When I click on, I found all these options, that I have a doc, whiteboard, video, college video, mobile, all those options are here. Your story, Facebook post, resume, logo, document. And here is the two options, custom size and import size. Don't want to use the standard feature, we can design our own custom size. So I'm going to create a new design for 800 by 800. Old school, and click on a create. So this window is appeared. Now if I see here, here are templates. So I can search template, color template, language, and I can search. And with respect to size, different types of options are available. I select 8 by 800 by 800. So usually logo style templates are available here, so I can attach here. Similarly, with respect to different type of template or sizes, it will be appeared here. So if I go back and click on a design, and here I select Instagram script, and related to Instagram post templates are available. Some are pro. I'm not at that time logging with the pro version, so if I click on it, it asks me to purchase a pro, otherwise I'm unable to use it. So I'm going for a free design. So free design is available here. I can modify all those things. So next option is element. I will go and explain a separate video on elements, how we handle these elements, all these objects called elements. Then we have a text options. We can add and drag for a text. Even these are coming from these, and here we have a font, and you can see if I click on that, there are options here. I will explain in a more detailed video. Then I have a brand, all brand related. If you create a brand, and all logos, brands, all things from here you can use in your design. And then we have uploads. We can upload from Google Drive, OneDrive, Facebook, Google Image Gallery, and Insta, or you can upload, and even you can record yourself. Then we have option for drawing, so we can draw. Here I am using this, and I can draw. If you add your signature in your video, then you can use it. Then we have a project. Already I mentioned that project here, and then what type of apps it already integrated. From there these things are integrated, and if you connected with all your apps, so from there you connect. I did not connect it with in use, so nothing is coming here. So from top what my video is created, I can save my project name from here. Hello, this is first design, right? And this picture, this is a video, insta video, so its automatic size is 15 seconds. Let me play it. So video. So this is a quick view where I show you how you can navigate in Canva environment, how it will be look like when you first time log in into a Canva. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.